How to buy Minecraftification token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And before going on by this token, don't forget to go and engage with your community on X. As you can see, they have 107 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours, and this token also trends in number 3 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. That, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it, and here you can click on I understand. Now after that, you can type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. After that, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select the Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Minecraftification token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.